We just landed in Turks and Caicos at the Grand Turk Port off the Carnival celebration.
Let's see what type of mischief we can get into.
Let's do it. Let's rock.
Woo! These are adorable. They're piranha water shoes. I need a pair. I'm trying to find my size right now.
I don't think you can find your size because they're for kids.
Wah, wah, wah. They should have these for adults.
So as soon as you get into the port, if you forgot to book an excursion on Carnival, don't worry about it because there are 9 different booths here with different excursions. They got snorkeling, catamaran trips, anything you need. It's right here as soon as you get into the port.
So if you're not going to be hanging out at the port and you need to catch a taxi, go straight through the port to your left and you will find some taxi stands. Check that sign out.
So we're gonna do something we've never done before. We never have gone to Margaritaville and gone to the pool. And supposedly it's free. You just walk in, find a spot next to the pool or a chair. And we've heard it's amazing. We've had subscribers tell us you need to go to Margaritaville, so we're doing that this time, just for a little bit, see what it's all about. It's supposed to be a big party, pool party, so we want to find out. And you're gonna find out too. Let's go. Pool party here at Margaritaville is insane. I don't even know if you can hear us. Look at this. Yeah. We didn't pay or anything. We just walked in and got in the pool. So apparently there's no admission charge. But the drinks are probably 30 bucks. But who cares? Let's do this. All right, they're gonna do a shot contest right now. You gotta do something to win some shots.
Are you here? Ladies and gentlemen, I have a bottle of shot that I want to give away, and I want to play some game for it, or I want to play a game for it. Ladies and gentlemen, this game is called Get Your Minds Out of the Gutter. You don't have to do anything other than yelling the answers to me. That is all you got to do. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the first one for you. I am thick and hairy. You can find me next to an opening. You can also wipe yourself on me. What am I? What am I? A paper towel? No. Arms? No. What am I? I am a rug. That is absolutely correct. That is what I am.
So Melissa got a question right, so she actually did get a shot.
I did, and I got an extra one because I asked.
But how do you like my new wardrobe? This is for the sun, because the sun's beating down.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is this stylish? Comment below. Would you pull this off?
Heck yeah.
Where's your left?
Slide to the right.
Where's your right?
Crisscross. Crisscross.
Cross.
Cha-cha, real smooth.
Sexy walk. Give me your sexy walk.
Let's go to work.
Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Turk, I'm kidding, what y'all doing? Wow.
Oh my God.
What a great day so far.
Now, if you've never been to Margaritaville and gone to the actual pool area, we highly recommend it. We've never done it. We've been here a few times. We always just go to the beach, you know, have a drink, lay in the sand, go in the ocean, but the pool is where it's at. If you're looking for something a little bit more upbeat, they have games, they have everyone partying. Yeah, it's a great time.
Shots.
It's a great time. We just took advantage of it. 2 shots for $5. They're Jello shots, but they're pretty strong. But the beers are about $6 each, and the cocktails are about $11 each. So not that bad. Actually, cheaper than on the Celebration. So I would say definitely, if you've been here before and haven't gone to the Margaritaville pool, you should do it. It's free. But I wanted to point out something. We have the Celebration and the Freedom in port right now. Now I'm gonna cut to a different angle and show you the size difference of the ships.
What the heck is going on here? Let's celebrate.
Damn.
Dang, Linda.
All right, now that's the Celebration. You can see, obviously it's pulled forward more than the Freedom, but you can definitely tell the size difference. We all know that size doesn't matter, but in this case, it might. Look at that. The pool area was amazing at Margaritaville, but we just found a bar that's Margaritaville right on the beach. And the ships are in port right in front of you while you're swimming. Look.
Who wouldn't want to float next to Celebration and Freedom?
2 Carnival ships in port right now. It is a big party. This is amazing. It's one of our best times at Grand Turk.
Yes.
But we're gonna grab a beer and then maybe sit on the sand for a little bit and enjoy the ocean. We got the pool, now we got the ocean.
Yes.
The motion of the ocean.
Motion of the ocean. Let's do it.
Just make sure you don't wait in line here at the beach, Margaritaville Beach Bar, because we've been standing here for like 15 minutes.
Are you thirsty? Because you will be super thirsty.
And then
whoever
walks up in front of them, they just take their order.
Yeah, just take it. Over here.
It's all good. We got our drinks.
Oh my goodness. If you're thirsty, you need to be
22 minutes.
willing to wait.
22 minutes.
You gotta be willing to wait. Cheers.
All right, that may be worth like a 10-minute wait. Let's see.
Woo!
All right.
Tasty.
Don't come to the beach bar at Margaritaville.
Yes.
If you want to wait.
The gazebo. What? If you're thirsty, like we said, 22 minutes is when you're gonna get your next drink.
We got skipped over multiple times. It's fine though.
I don't know.
So one of the epic things to do here on Grand Turk is go on the Flowrider. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna find out how much it is. It's been a few years since we've been here, so we're gonna get the updated pricing. It's not that easy. Last time we came, my cousin was like standing up, doing 360s and stuff, and everybody else couldn't get on. Actually, last time I tried it, my pants came all the way off underwater. I'm not kidding. They came all the way off.
He was mooning us all.
But luckily I was able to pull them up at the last minute because it would have been quite the show. Let's go find out how much it is. Hey, how's it going? I was just wondering, like, what's the cost?
It's 40 per person.
40, and how many rides do you get?
It's 90 minutes in total. This one started at 2 o'clock. We're already 33 minutes in. It's going to finish at 3:30.
I did this like 6 years ago, and all my pants fell off.
Yeah, man.
They did.
You gotta keep them tight.
So $40 for 90 minutes.
Right.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
All right, you know how we do it. We landed upon the Margaritaville gift shop, and we want to get a prize for one of you subscribers out there. So we're gonna find something fun. We've given away a lot this week, but we're gonna keep giving because you guys give us happiness for subscribing. So let's see what we can find. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. This is a perfect gift for one of our subscribers. This is going to one of you. It's really easy to win. Just go to rockintheboat.club, put in your email address. We're gonna notify the winner next week. But this is perfect for the group cruise as well, which comes up in April of 2025. We want you on there. We're about 60% full right now. We gotta get to max capacity. We have about 5 months left. Go to rockintheboat.club, check out the group cruise info. It's a steal. You're gonna have parties. We're gonna do giveaways. We're gonna do a group cocktail hour. We're gonna do a bunch of party stuff. We want you with us. Come on, let's go. All right, we finally made it down to the beach. Look at how cool this is. Look at the ships right behind us. We got our toes in the sand. It's definitely time for a pedicure, but we're gonna go jump in the ocean for a little bit. Feel how good the water feels.
Ooh, I can't wait, guys. Let's get wet.
What?
Let's get wet. Let's do it. Ocean water, the best. Let's go float.
Hold on to what we've got. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. Give it a shot.
Living on a prayer. Take my hands. We'll make it, I swear. Living on a prayer.
We made it out to the ocean. Look.
We did Ocean of the Motion. Motion of the ocean.
Look how close the ship is. We had the best time ever. This is about our 5th time at Grand Turk. We never went to the pool, but today we did.
Yes.
So I'm glad we got to share it with you. I highly recommend it. Just don't go to the beach bar to get a drink, because it'll take you 22 minutes.
That gazebo is everlasting gust.
Yeah, it took forever, but it doesn't matter. We had a great time. We're looking forward to giving away that 5 o'clock somewhere bag to one of you guys out there, one of our subscribers. We have some more videos obviously coming out the rest of the week, but this is the end of the Grand Turk video. Glad you were here. We appreciate every single one of you. And just one more thing before we go. Always remember to keep rocking the ball. Rock the ball. See you next time.
Bye.